All right, so we know how to do a bomb wash and go, but how do we keep it up past day one? That's a question a lot of people like to ask, so let's go ahead and get into it. Roll the intro.
Hey, listen. Real one.
So, I love my wash and goes. I love how wash and goes. I love to get them to last as well. I'm sure anybody who does a wash and go, you want it to last for a long time. I officially have this wash and go in now. This is an 8-day wash and go. It's starting to get a little frizzy, but it's got body and my curls are still popping. Still popping. So if you guys wanted to see how I did my wash and go, how I achieved this particular look, make sure that you check out that video. I will try to link it down below. So a lot of people always ask, how do I keep this up? As you guys can see, it is fluid. My hair moves really easily. If I wanted to change the part on my hair, I could. If I wanted to move it to the other side, if I wanted to move it to the front, I can go ahead and make that happen. This is not stiff hair. So one of the ways that I do that is how I showed my wash and go is stretching. I like to dry the hair with the blow dryer. When you dry it with the blow dryer, it enables you to have a lot more freeness, especially when you get to that root. Your root is what makes it stiff, because if your root is stuck to your scalp, of course, it's not gonna move. So here are my ways and a few tips and tricks that I use to make my wash and goes last just a little bit longer. First, we're gonna go ahead and do the average everyday pineapple method. Here's a disclaimer, listen to me close on this one. If you pineapple your hair needs to be completely dry. Listen to it one more time.
Completely dry.
If not, it will not go back down the way you want. You will get stuck with your hair, moved, it be in weird positions, and you'll have to spend a lot more time in the morning trying to manipulate it to be down. So if you're gonna pineapple your hair, I like to use these handy dandy, extra stretchy rubber bands. I get them from Walmart. You can go to the hair store and get them. You can go to Dollar Tree and get these big, humongous ones. I put my head down. I push it all the way to the top. I take my earring out at the same time. As you can see, my earring came clean out. And I just take it, move it as far up to the top as I possibly can. As y'all can see, get the rubber band, put it up there, okay? So it's holding most of the back up, pushing the front forward. I get my handy dandy scarf. Y'all, this scarf has been with me through thick and thin, okay? This scarf has been with me through relaxed hair, okay? This scarf, it has value, okay? All I do, I take it, put it behind me. I don't like my ears being tucked in. That's on you. You do. Tie it up. One good time. I normally push all my hair to one side. This just helps it not go back down. And I just tuck that in real good and boom. Pineapple. That easy. Now, you can also take the rubber band out. I always take mine out once I get it up where I want it to be. And if you want to wear your hair, I know a lot of my friends go to the gym in the morning in a pineapple. Boom. Okay, styled. Boom. So when you take it out in the morning, take it down. Quick shake, shake, shake. Boom. You where you need to be. That easy. Now let's just say that your hair isn't dry. And you're not finna sit here and go through the whole process of blow drying your hair because you just one of the people who don't like to use heat. Cool, I got something for you too. Okay. So it's the banding method. when I'm letting my hair air dry all day long, by the time I get home, it's still really not 100% dry. So what I do then, I separate my hair in sections. I normally do 3 sections on this side, 3 on this side, and 1 in the back. I use my Dollar Tree, y'all, I'm trying to save y'all some money. Dollar Tree, the little kitty little, you know, little cotton things your mama used to put in your hair you used to hate, right here, okay? My daughter's hair so thick, we never even use these on her hair. Now, how far up you go on the band is up to you. It's how straight you want your roots, okay? And you just gonna do a 2, boop, and just kind of separate some so it kind of comes down. Get you another one. I normally do about 2 per, and if I have to do 3, then I'll go down, but my ends always stay free so that these don't get stretched. I don't want the ends to be stretched. So then boom, I put it in like that. So we're gonna do the rest real quick. I'm gonna speed through it because y'all ain't gonna wanna see it. It ain't but a couple of seconds, but nobody wants to sit here and watch me do this. They don't be wanting to watch. So listen to the music, enjoy, let's get down. So, as you can see, I'm over here looking like Julio. But, all you need, get you a scarf. Tuck it all in. Don't nobody know you over here looking like Julio. Don't nobody know it. Now you look like Celie. Okay, let's get it. Okay. Easy peasy. Now, one of the reasons why I do this back section separate, this section right here, completely by itself, is because I want to make sure that back section comes straight down. I don't want it to go out. I want to make sure it comes straight down. So, in the morning time, all you do is take them out. Now, I know some people are like, but it's going to crinkle my hair. My hair is going to be so crinkly. Oh my God. You got curly hair. So, ain't it crinkly? Okay. I have not had an issue with impressions on my hair or it being so bad where I can't take it. So you just separate each one. Now mind y'all, I went a few more times this time because my hair is stretched already, so I had to wrap around a few more times. I normally do when it's gonna be air dried. So as you see, your hair is gonna form in your sections. It's not gonna just fluff all the way out. So still look like Julio? Don't worry about it. Boom! Y'all, do you see how easy this is? My style is still fresh. It's still in there. It's still a go. Okay, so let's say you do the banding method, right? But your edges though. Them babies gotta be slick. Don't look at my edges right now because this is an 8-day-old wash and going. I wasn't for it this morning, but you want them to be slick. Some people use wrap paper, like, you know, go to the hairstylist. Some people use a scarf. I got one of them too. My favorite thing to use though, this right here. This cloth right here, okay? Little strings, cloth to the middle. This is people who have those pixie cuts, because I used to have a pixie cut. And what did I do? I laid that bag down with this right here, baby. I use this. Why? Because it doesn't get to the rest of my hair. I just easily put it on there. Call it a day. Bring it back around the front. Nice little tie. Boom. I ain't gotta fight with the size of a scarf, cause this thing is small. Look at that, y'all. Look, my hairline right there. Okay, it's small, out the way. Boom. And so when you go to sleep, when you're banding your hair, do this method for the edges, for them edges. Even if you're just gonna lay your edges down in the morning, even if you're gonna lay your edges down in the morning, use this. So that's what I do at night. I typically do not have an issue in the morning at all. And if you do find where your hair gets stuck in a certain position, squirt a little bit of water on there. Water is okay. Fluff it a little bit, you know, make it do what it do. Shake, give it a little shake. But if your roots dry, you will have no issue with making it do this, okay? Them roots need to dry, and they'll do that. And you can get a wash and go that lasts you 8-9 days. Now I'm gonna wash my hair just because it's getting to the point where it's kind of, you know, a little dirty. It don't stink though. It don't stink. And I'll do a video on my next product I'm gonna be watching, but I just want to give you guys a way to make your wash and go last. It can last as long as you maintain it. As long as you maintain it. Remember, your wash and goes are your product and your maintenance. That all makes a big difference. So as always, thank y'all so much for watching my video. I greatly appreciate it. Please make sure that you like, share, comment, okay? I want to make sure that I can give you guys content. I'm trying to grow this channel too. Y'all know I'm trying to grow and do something. Hit the subscribe button. Share it with your mama. Somebody need to see it. Okay. So hold your crown up high. Y'all have a good one. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace and love.